Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix Valorant not opening issue. I will show you easiest and fastest way to fix this issue. But before we start this guide, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Now let's start with basic troubleshooting. First of all, make sure that you have 64-bit Windows 10. Uninstall MSI Afterburner and Riva Tuner if you are using. Close all the programs that you may not be using like Discord, Skype, browser etc. Only run programs which are important. It will help to launch the game successfully. Now we are all set to start troubleshooting. Fix 1. Disable antivirus. There could be two cases. Either you are using third-party antivirus which you have installed, or you may be using Windows default antivirus, Windows Defender. To disable most of the third-party antivirus program, go to System Tray and click on up arrow. Locate your antivirus program icon. As you can see, I am using Windows Defender. You will find your antivirus program icon here. Right click on icon and select Disable, Stop, Shutdown or something similar. Your antivirus will be disabled after that. To disable Windows Defender, type gpedit in the search box and open it. As you can see that group policy editor has been opened. You need to click on administrative templates. Now click on Windows Components. Scroll down to Windows Defender Antivirus. Here you need to find Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus. Double click on it. As you can see that there is an option of disabled. You just need to click disabled and apply it and click on OK. Now restart your Windows. Your Windows Defender will be disabled. Now move to Fix 2. Set VGC service to automatic. Type services in the search box. Right click on it and select Run as administrator. As you can see that services window has been opened. Now we need to find VGC. Here you can see VGC. You just need to double click on VGC. Here you need to make sure that startup type is set to automatic. If it is manual, then you need to stop it. Now change the startup type to automatic and start the service. Now apply it and click on OK. Fix 3. Add new system variables. Just press Window key plus R. Now type cmd. As you can see that command prompt has been opened. You just need to type this command and press enter. You can find this command in the description below. Now restart the PC and try to run the game. It will launch, but in few cases command prompt method may not work. In this case, type environment variables in the search box and open it. Here you need to add new system variables. Now put variable name and value which I have provided in the description. Just copy and paste it here. Now hit OK. Again click OK. You need to restart your PC once. and run the game. Fix 4. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. To do this, right click on the game icon and select Properties. Now click on Compatibility tab. Here you can see Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. You need to check both and now apply it. Now hit OK. Now check if this error has been fixed. If not, then move to Fix 5. Change game settings. Click on the File Explorer. Then click on address bar of the File Explorer and paste this folder location. Folder location you can copy from the description below. Now hit enter. Now right click on Valorant Win64 file and select Properties. Now go to Compatibility tab. Here you need to uncheck Disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Now apply it. Now hit OK. Now check if still you are getting the same error, then move to Fix 6. Update graphics driver. Right click on the start menu and select Device Manager. As you can see that Device Manager has been opened. Now click on the display adapter and right click on your dedicated graphics. Now select Update Driver. Here you need to click on Search automatically for updated driver software. As you can see, driver updating is in process. If any update will be available, then it will be installed automatically. Now move to Fix 7. Exit Vanguard. Click on up arrow of the taskbar. You can see the Vanguard. You just need to right click on it. Now click Exit Vanguard. Here you need to click Yes. Now restart the PC and try to run the game again. This time it will launch successfully. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Press the bell button to receive notification for new videos on Windows tips and tricks, troubleshooting and productivity hacks. Thank you.